Hey, let me show you the Wi-Fi speed on the Realme 12 5G. So I'm actually using this kind of the connection. This is the connection speed, and this is the Wi-Fi speed, the Wi-Fi 5 with 5 gigahertz. And let's start the test. And now let's see how it goes. So currently we've got around 240 megabytes per second. And let's take a look for the upload. Okay, so there's actually 244 for download, 245, and for the upload we've got around 73 for something like this. Yeah, that's 73.3. So yeah, this is my result for the test of the Wi-Fi 5 on the Realme 12 5G. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.